How to lose money with investing in stocks. There are several ways you could potentially lose money when investing in stocks. Market declines of the stock market can fluctuate and may experience declines, which can lead to a decrease in the value of your stock investments. Individual stock performance of the value of a specific stock you own may decline, even if the overall market is performing well. This could be due to poor financial performance, negative company news, or other factors. Trading fees. If you buy and sell stocks frequently, you may incur trading fees that can eat into your profits or increase your losses. Lack of diversification. If you focus too heavily on a single stock or sector, you may be more exposed to risk if that stock or sector underperforms. Diversifying your portfolio by including a mix of different types of assets can help mitigate this risk. Emotional decision making. It's important to have a clear investment strategy and stick to it, rather than making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. This can help you avoid making costly mistakes. It's important to carefully consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and the specific stocks or funds you're considering before making any investment decisions. It can also be helpful to seek the advice of a financial advisor or professional.